This is what it looks like with the flash tube removed. That's pretty much shot, looks like. So these two brushes go up, like I say, these wrap around the tube and cause it to ignite. This is the capacitor located up in that distributor head module, the spinning one. So that connects to the positive of the tube. The other wire goes to the ground. So this is where we're going to mount the LED. In some of the older ones, they actually use a glass lens. This just had a little piece of plastic. And so I'll be using 2 new screws to, there'll be a crossbar that holds the LED against the glass or plastic. These weights will probably get removed. I generally remove all the weights and put some back as I try to balance it. This is the wire coming from the center contact. So this is inside. This is the little tachometer. The points open and close. So it looks like the red, typically you'd have the red to some power and the black to a common, and then there'll be a signal. It basically looks like this. I'm not sure if those red and black are reversed, because we start out with white. White sort of goes through to yellow, but red switches within the power supply to black, and then it goes to blue, and the black goes to red, to the red. So this is the capacitor board. I'm going to be pulling these capacitors off. They're 224s at 630 volts. And we'll be selling this power supply with the capacitor kit, trying to recover some of the money. So if you're needing a rebuild, this is a good chance to get one that's pretty much done. But this board goes up against there. There's a carbon contact brush that goes against the center pin that's right here. You should clean those. This brass bar, that needs to be cleaned if you're still using the tube, because you're making contact with these fingers. And like I say, the other side needs to be, you need to go in there and just rough up with some steel wool or very light sandpaper or something to take the dirt off, coat it with WD-40. So here's the power supply. This could be yours. So that's it for today. Then I'll start putting the electronics in.